Hey everyone, looking to boost customer loyalty for your online store? Today I'm reviewing Smile.io, the world's most trusted loyalty app for e-commerce. Let's dive in. Smile.io powers over 20,000 reward programs, helping brands like Polaroid and Inkbox keep customers coming back. It's super easy to set up. Think minutes, not hours. You can create points, referral, or VIP programs, rewarding actions like purchases, reviews, or social shares. Pros? It integrates seamlessly with Shopify, BigCommerce, and tools like Klaviyo and Yotpo. The free plan is great for startups, offering basic features like customizable points. Plus, their support team, shout out to folks like Ezra and Lisa, is responsive and super helpful. Now, some cons. The floating widget can feel clunky for customers, and API access is locked behind the enterprise plan, which starts at around $1,000 a month. Smaller businesses might find the $49 starter plan a bit pricey, and some users report occasional bugs with point redemption. Overall, Smile.io is a powerful tool for building loyalty. It's intuitive, customizable, and boosts retention. Our store saw a 15% increase in repeat customers in just 4 months. Perfect for e-commerce brands, but weigh the cost if you're just starting out. Final verdict, I give Smile.io 4.7 out of 5 stars. If you want to keep customers engaged, it's a no-brainer. Check it out on Shopify or BigCommerce. Got any questions? Drop them below and let me know what you think of Smile.io. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more reviews like this one, and I'll see you in the next video.